YouTube channel. This is Tutor Malvis, and my job here is to demystify mathematics. I want to make mathematics your friend. I want you to love mathematics. I want to answer your questions in mathematics. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at order of operation. Order of operation. So my aim is to start from the simple to the complex. And one thing you must realize in mathematics is that everything we do is guided by rules. There are rules and regulations that guide what we do in mathematics. So talking about order of operation, what is order of operation? Order of operation is a set of rules that tells us the sequence by which we should solve a particular arithmetic operation. And what are arithmetic operations, or what are operations in mathematics? We have addition, we have subtraction, we have division, we have multiplication. So the rule that tells us the sequence by which we can solve operations is what we call the order of operation. So let us consider a particular question. 4 plus 5 multiplied by 32 minus 2. So this is a sample question, and we have two candidates that want to attempt this type of question. So candidate A, and then we have candidate B. Now, candidate A decides to solve from left to right. Then candidate B decides to solve from right to left. So this can also mean you and your friend. You are given this question, and when you attempted yours, you decided to solve this way: 4 plus 5 multiplied by 32 minus 2. So solving from left to right would mean 4 plus 5, that is 9, multiplied by 32 minus 2. Then 9 multiplied by 32, that is 9 times 2, that is 18, you keep 1. 9 times 3, that is 27, plus 1, 28. So we have 288 minus 2. 288 minus 2, we have 286. So candidate A has 286. So candidate B, solving from right to the left, we have 4 plus 5 multiplied by 32 minus 2. So this is 4 plus 5. Since we are solving from this side, that will be 32 minus 2, that is 30. So 4 plus 5 multiplied by 30, this is 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 3, 15. So this is 4 plus 1, 50. That's what? 154. So here we have an expression with two different solutions. So who is correct among these people? Actually, none of them is correct. And so, in order to reduce ambiguity and confusion in mathematics, there is a rule, a pattern that we must follow for us to arrive at the correct answer. And that rule is what we call PEMDAS. In our junior classes or primary classes, elementary classes, we are used to board maths, where B means bracket, O means of or order, D means division, M multiplication, addition, then subtraction. But for this class, we will be making use of order of operation, as in PEMDAS, where P means parenthesis. Another word for parenthesis is bracket. Then E, exponent. Then M, multiplication. Then D, division. then A, addition, then S, we have subtraction. So this is the rule that guides the operation of mathematics. We have PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay, so since candidate A got it wrong and candidate B got it wrong, we need to follow this rule in order to arrive at the correct answer. So, following the rule of operation, let's solve 4 plus 5 multiplied by 32 minus 2. Now, you need to bear in mind that while following parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, sometimes we can decide to interchange the positions of multiplication and division from left to right, depending on which one is coming first. Division and multiplication can be interchanged while we are solving mathematical expressions. So for this, we have parentheses, there is no bracket here. We have exponent, there is no power here. We have multiplication, and that is what we are going to do first. So this is going to be 4 plus 5 times 2, that is 10. Keep 1. 5 times 3, that is 15, plus 1, that is 16, minus 2. Then followed by division, we don't have division here. Then addition, 4 plus 160, that is 164, minus 2. Then the last one we have subtraction. 164 minus 2 will give us 162. And here is the correct answer to that expression. So following the rule that we already have, we need to solve some expressions and see how to apply this rule in other questions. So let's attempt 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by bracket 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. Okay, so if this kind of question is presented to a student and he is not aware or is oblivious of the rule or the order of operation, and he decides to solve from left to right, this is what it's going to look like. 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18, plus 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 3. Then we have 18 plus 4, that is 22 multiplied by 9 divided by 3. So 22 multiplied by 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So 22 multiplied by 3, that is 66. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Would you say that this candidate is correct? No. This is fatally incorrect. So how do we know the correct answer? By applying the order of operation. So 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 3. So the first thing we need to do is attend to the parentheses. So this should be P-A-R-E-N, parentheses. So we attend to the parentheses, the one in bracket. So this is 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 3, we have 3. Then this is 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18, plus 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. 18 plus 12, we have 30. And this is the correct answer. Then we move to another question. We have 2 plus 6 multiplied by, open bracket, 4 plus 5, close the bracket, divided by 3, minus 5. So following the order of operation, the first thing we attack is the bracket. So this is 2 plus 6 multiplied by 4 plus 5, that is 9, divided by 3, minus 5. So we are going to have Next, we have exponent. There is no raised to the power. Then we have multiplication and division. So, like I said, you can interchange multiplication and division depending on which one is coming first, from left to right. So, 2 plus 6 multiplied by 9. So, since this is, or we can decide to say 9 divided by 3. 6 multiplied by 9 divided by 3, that is 3 minus 5. And this is 2 plus 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18 minus 5. 2 plus 18, that is 20 minus 5. Then this is what? 20 minus 5, that is 15. And this is the correct answer. Then we move to another. 4 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 3 in bracket multiplied by 2 plus 5. So we have 4 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5. So we deal with the bracket first. 4 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 3, that is 5, multiplied by 2 plus 5. So this is 4 minus division. 5 divided by 5, that is 1, multiplied by 2 plus 5. Then this is 4 minus 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2 plus 5. Then this is 4 minus 2 plus 5, or let's attack the subtraction first. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2 plus 5. Then 2 plus 5, that is 7. So this is the correct answer. Number 5, we are to simplify 4 plus 5 multiplied by 3 squared plus 2, giving option A to be 48, option B to be 49, option C to be 50, option D to be 51. So looking at this, we are told to simplify this. So the first thing we do is we take care of everything in bracket. And in taking care of everything in bracket, we need to consider 3 squared first. So this is 5 multiplied by 3 squared is what? 9. That's 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2. Then this is 4 plus 5 multiplied by 9, that is 45 plus 2. Then 4 plus 45 plus 2, that is 47. And so 47 plus 4 will give us 51. And that makes option D the correct answer. I'm telling you that there's a sequence that we follow in solving mathematical expression. So we look at a particular expression, how that candidate A solved from left to right, candidate B solved from right to left, and the two of them arrived at different answers. And I remember saying that none of the answer is correct. So the correct way to solve expressions is to follow the order of operation that we call PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. P for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So today we are going to look at more examples of order of operation. We have 32 divided by 4 plus 3, close this bracket, multiply by 2. So following our rule that you're already used to, division comes first. Of course, All these are in the bracket, so we have to address this before this. So in the bracket, division comes first. So 32 divided by 4, that is 8. So we have 8 plus 3 multiplied by 2. 8 plus 3, that is 11. So 11 multiplied by 2, we have 22. So this is how simple this can be when you put to heart what we've learned. And then we have another question here. 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 divided by 5 minus 16 minus 10. Okay, so here we have 2 brackets, and we need to deal with each of them separately. And inside this bracket, we have exponent. So that is 3 multiplied by 5 squared is what? 25 divided by 5 minus 16 minus 10, that is 6. So since division comes first, we say 25 divided by 5, that is 5. 3 multiplied by 5 minus 6. So this is 3 times 5, 15 minus 6, and that is 9. So to test how far we've gone and whether you guys are following what I've been teaching, I want you to lay your hands on this expression and drop your answer in the comment section. Please, I want to see your working step by step. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel at Tutor Malvis. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.